Welcome everybody, welcome. We're back. We are back. What's going on? Let's see. So, quite a few things happened. I took a short, by the way, here in this area. It was a beautiful 2-to-1 risk to reward. So I put a FIB tool here, you know, optimal trade entry as usual. This was my short. Scar, hey there. Welcome again. And my TP was down there. So this was a good one. Michael Trader, welcome. Good to see you. How you guys are doing? Hope everything's cool. Well, so far it seems like that Nasdaq might want to go for that previous day low or that sell side liquidity, which is the 4-hour order block low down there at 904. So yeah, that's good. Yeah, this trade was a good one. I actually took partials. I can show you somewhere. Hold on a second. So this was the trade. I think you guys see it. Yeah, this is the. Let me go to the 5-minute so that's more clear. So 5-minute chart and settings, visual trades. Marker label, there you go. So I took it with actually I took it with 5 micros. I don't know why it says 2 because I entered 5. I took a partial of 3 micros and then the rest of the 2. I don't know why it says. Anyway, this was the fair value gap. Right there. My stop was up here, so it was a little bit sweaty because it almost got me out and then boom, finally. But at least it was a good one. You shorted from 010 to 950. And pass the eval. Hey, let me give you an applause. Where's my soundboard? Congratulations for passing your eval. Good one. Prasad, hey there. Doing great, thank you. Dark Cloud, done for the day. Alright. Well, I'm not done. And to be honest, I messed up a little bit because I have actually... I wanted to scalp after the stream for a bounce, but it didn't went well, so I suffered a little bit of a loss. So technically I'm at break even for today, thanks to this short. But it is what it is. I'm still fine. I think we are, so far we're going down for that 904 level. Let me show you on the 4-hour again. Let me get this off. You see, this is a bullish order block on the 4-hour. Let me zoom it out. So 4-hour bullish order block. The low of that is at 904. So I think we're going for that level. Down there, 904. But who knows? Gold is actually stuck here. What else? Gold is stuck. We have the OTE. So gold, that was interesting. Gold spiked lower. No structure shift. But here, I mean, this was a structure shift, but I don't consider the wick as a structure shift anyway. It wicked lower. If I would have taken it, this would be, I know. But it wicked lower. And if I look at this leg, then the OTE level should be this. So now could be bearish if this one wants to continue. The thing is that this wick swept liquidity down here, and that's why I think like we had this liquidity sweep on gold. I think we could be going for that 1 hour fair value gap up at 23.53.6, and the mid level of the recent 4 hour market structure shift, which happened from 23.82.6 all the way down to 23.29.2. The mid level is at 55.8 on my charts on futures. So I'm gonna stay bullish on gold momentarily, although this indicates a shift to the downside, but I don't trust this. I'm gonna stay bullish, and we'll see if price or market wants to go higher to 23.53.6 area. That would be the low-hanging fruit, or we have some buy side here. Let me put this right there. Buy side liquidity 23.48.1. So that's what I'm looking at gold. All right. As for the Nasdaq, I don't know. We definitely shifted lower to approach previous day low. Now, if I put a fib tool here, which is actually an order block, optimal trade entry would be at 58, 958, 59. All right, 59.75, but there's a fair value gap, so I would say limit order at 61, 62-ish area could be in place, but that's a risky one, because if Nasdaq decides to go higher, reprice some higher levels up there, then obviously this whole move is not important. We have relative equal highs up there on Nasdaq, so don't forget it. Relative equal highs up there, and make sure to mark it correctly. Relative equal highs. I'm gonna put it to the top, to the center. All right. Now that's something I'm interested as well. And this is why this whole setup makes it a little bit difficult to anticipate what's gonna happen. If anybody wants to go for a risky short, well, you can do so. I might even do from here at, I would put my stop above there, maybe with 2 micros, go for previous day low, maybe. I'm not sure. Marshall, hey there, how's it going? So what do you guys think? This is at midnight area, so it could still play out. My level is at 61. 2 micros at 61. Okay. Okay, I got into the position. My entry is 61.25. It's extremely dangerous, only risking about, let me see, I'm risking about 80 bucks. And I will be watching this closely, just in case if this would go too much against me. 14. Yeah, I would be looking for previous day low on this one. Man, it's gonna take me out. Not funny actually, but this is an order block. Let me show you. Let me show you my trade right here. I'm gonna disable the trades and here. So this is something, it's very risky, but only on micros, only risking about 80 bucks. I'm not too much concerned, but I'll take what the market gives me or takes from me. That's one thing I'm looking at. Dark Cloud. Yeah, I'm in a sell. It's super risky, but only risking, you know, 80 bucks or 85 or something with micros because I had a good trade before that. If this one wanna go sideways or go straight against me, take out the high, it can do that. I'm targeting previous day low and the order block low down there. That's my target, but you know, it can happen like straight goes to the high, and it is what it is. Hey Yanix, I have Apex payout pending since 7 days. Is there anyone same problem? I mean, 7 days is not even much. We have people who are waiting since 10 days, 12 days. So 7 days is normal. That's way within the threshold. So nowadays it seems like this is how it goes. You're welcome. You're welcome. Damn it, look at this. It's just going against me. Now gold actually started to go lower. What kind of targets do we have for gold? We have previous day low. Otherwise nothing special. On the 1 hour time frame, nothing else. Higher lows, higher lows. I don't think this one wants to break that low. Doesn't seem like it for now. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. Shifted structure on this recent swing, but it's really not my favorite. It seems like that NQ now wants to take me out. I might have to close it with a small loss. Don't like the way it moves. However, this was a shift, but you know, liquidity sweep can go all the way up to way above 84. Take out some highs on the 15-minute time frame and then go down if it wants to go down. So I'll just wait. All right, gold is going down. I would say there was a sweep here, breaking below this fair value gap with a shift. Previous day low was actually Friday and almost Sunday low. If it wants to break that, I want to see some good entry on gold. So I'm just gonna wait. Wait for the 5-minute candle to close. And let me zoom it out. For now, there's a fair value gap here. in this area. Yeah. Let's see how it behaves around that place. Well, I would put a limit order, but only I think I would wait for this candle to close below this. It goes if it trades above this gap. Now this gap was kind of like a support level. So if it's going to trade back above, I'm not sure if it will have the momentum to break through it again to the downside, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there, right? We will cross that bridge when we get there. By the way, don't forget tomorrow is giveaway. If you haven't filled it out already, check out the giveaway form. It's in the pinned message. It's a simple application. Just give your email and name and we're going to do the live pick on the stream. If you're not here, don't worry. If you win this, the giveaway, you receive an email and I'm going to tweet the winner's name out. All right, let's see what's going on. It might be closing this gap. I want to see if we get an aggressive entry here or not. No, I don't like this. I'm not going to take anything with this one. No entry. I don't like this entry model here. It's very tight, although it's valid, but still, I don't know. Even if it would go down, I don't know if it will be able to break that previous day low. Yeah, no, it's not optimal. I'm just checking some levels and it's just not optimal. It's gonna go higher, so that's why this is not a good entry. Anyway, let's keep on watching the Nasdaq trade, shall we? Looks much better, more promising. Let's see if this one wants to go for previous day low. And we'll see for the next setup on gold. As I said, we could be targeting that high at 23.48. Should be breaking through here to the upside. Yeah, it seems like gold is breaking through. So this could be a liquidity sweep, or could have been a possible liquidity sweep on gold. And this gap was holding. YOX, hey there. Michael Trader, you're short on gold? Careful with the short on gold. It's hard to read right now. I'm just sticking with NQ for now. Hey Gerald, how you doing? What's going on? Push the like button, guys, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Short on NQ 964. Nice. My entry on Nasdaq is 961.25. You have a good entry. 964, yeah. 961.25 is my entry. It's a little bit sketchy, but we'll see how it goes. Interesting how this area here is supporting price on gold. That's why I think that the 1 hour fair value gap, actually I'm gonna write this here. The 1 hour fair value gap could be a very good target if this one starts to shoot up. I'm gonna wait. Also, I'm going to wait and see if Nasdaq wants to take out this low. Chilling and following rules of not trading on Monday. Yeah, I think that's a good rule. That's a good rule. That's a good rule. Yeah, I'm only taking small positions here. I was waiting the whole London session. I wasn't doing anything. No trades. Good morning. Good morning, Gerald. So, let's see. What else is going on? Yeah, I mean, the price action wasn't that bad. So, you know, including the fact that it's a Monday, the price action was pretty much, I would say, all right. So on a scale of 10, I would say a strong 7, maybe an 8. So price action was a strong 8. Sorry, a strong 7. I would give a strong 7 on a scale to 10. I mean, until now. So what happens after this, I don't know, but so far it did the thing that it should. So let's see. I'm still in the trade. I don't know for how long. But we're still in it. Previous day low is at 914, so my TP is at 15.75. I don't know what's it gonna do. Can you tell me what happened to GJ since you don't trade it? What happened to GJ since you don't trade it? Well, I don't know. I'm not really checking. I can check for you on GJ, but pound yen. Let's check on Oanda. All right. I have no idea what happened here. Some news came out, I guess. Dropped quite a lot. I have no information what there was some kind of a news, I think so. I wish I could tell you, but I have no idea. Some news came out. Now it definitely broke structures, so be careful on GJ. I'm not trading it, but some news. There was some news, but I don't know. Let's focus back on NQ. Market structure got pretty well respected. Yeah, exactly, Viox. The structure got so far respected today. That doesn't mean we're not going to have some manipulation later on or now. Who knows? So yeah. Hey, Jeho, what's going on? Well, this is just a minor short. It's a risky short. I told that to everyone that this is a very extremely risky one. The target is previous day low, or we can call it for sell side liquidity on the bullish 4-hour candle low, which is at 904. Might want to go for it. Not sure. But, you know, we'll see. I don't know. I don't know what it wants. Yes, it's filling M15 gap. Nice. All right. Yeah, I think we reach for around these as well. I like to see until hit. Yeah, 904 would be great to be hit. I don't want to stay in until 904 because there will be some profit taking, I think, around those levels. So I want to get out before that. And actually, I'm closing down one contract right now because you know I had some issues earlier, and I closed down one contract, and I'm modifying the rest. I usually don't do this, but now I'm going to do that. So the rest of it is at break even. The risk to reward ratio could still be 1.5 or greater with this one, or at least 1.5 if I reach this. But I wanted to close down some of it because, you know, there could be a bounce, some profit taking, and boom, just bounces up there. If it goes down there, that's great. Let's just hope for it. Green is green, exactly. Yeah, that's true, Jo. So let's see if we're gonna go for that 15.75. I have no risk on this trade anymore. This is a totally risk-free trade. I'm actually thinking to maybe trail it a little bit down. But I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm gonna leave it as it is. We'll see. Let's leave it. Yeah, we could say, but you know, we had one more fair value gap here. And after that, we had another one here. I mean, the first one was a higher probability. The second one after this one went already. Now this one was actually still good. That's why I took it. But it was actually a lower probability after this move to the downside than this one. But I still thought that, you know, why not? Why not? If it would go, let's just go for it, right? Why not? But this one can still just go up and go sideways, fool around here before it goes down to take out previous day low. Actually, previous day low, which is the Friday low, not the Sunday low, I would say for Friday low, it's 14. So if it can reach for that, then the 904 is a good target. Might be a good thing that I took some partials here. Hey, Black Beauty Machine. Your TP hit? Nice. Hey. You're welcome, Big G. That is awesome. Good to hear that. Good to hear that. I was looking at gold as well, but I don't know what to do with gold. My neighbor is cutting the grass. Just started it right now, so that's a bullish sign, right? That's bullish. I might have to put on the AC because it's starting to get real hot. And by the way, don't forget that we have 45 minutes until market open. This can just, you know, this one can just go sideways until market open, pretty much. Or even go back totally up there, take out those highs. I'm still considering to close it or not. If it's going to take me out break even, I'm not going to add this as a winning trade to the stream. I'm going to add it as a break even. But if it takes me out at the TP, that would be greater than 1.5. So then I will add it. If I lose this trade here, that's going to be a break even trade. I don't care about the partial profit. Okay? Let's keep it real. Oh my god, my neighbor is just cutting the grass. I have to do something. Stop him. Yeah, I'm gonna stop him right now. I don't even know why he's cutting the grass. Grass is super hot out there right now. Super hot. The weather is like, wow. Yeah. Jesus, I would not be doing that right now if I were him. I gotta start the AC. All right. Oh, he's starting it. All right, I'll be right back. I have to put on the AC. I'll be right back. Oh, I forgot something. Hold on. All right, nice, good. Let's see what's going on. My trade took 12 minutes. Now what to do? I do for the day. I know what to do. Yeah, don't give it back. What I would do if I were you is just trade on a demo account or sim account, for example, or paper trade, whatever, you know, paper trade, or maybe get a cheap evaluation account and start building that one. But don't touch this account that you have made good profit. You don't want to give it back. What I used to do if I have a really good day or good profits, or if I pass the account, one account or whatever on a funded account, I just move on to a new account. I mean, not new account, but to a different account and trade on that one. So it's definitely helping you emotionally with the stress, easing up everything. Even if you lose on the second account, you just remember that you made a very good profit on the previous account. So that's going to help you a lot dealing with emotions. My 2 cents, you know. You guys can do whatever you like. So as we're getting closer to market open, this one is getting trickier and trickier. Gold is still at the same spot. Let's go. Come on, we need a good trade, right? We all need a good trade. So let's go for it. Just drop down and we're done. We're gonna wait for a market open. We're gonna wait for the 10 a.m. silver bullet or whatever. Doesn't need too much, like 15 points, whatever. Anyway, until we're waiting, please let me do the commercial and let me tell you guys that BULENOX has a sale 83% down. Go check it out. With some option 1 accounts. If you want to go with option 2 accounts, which is the end of day trailing, and with the daily loss limit, which is just a soft breach, like basically a TOPSTEP, you can go with the Tom Sabo 2 code that is 70% off. Like I think it's $52 for the option 2 accounts for 50K. Still a good deal, I think. So you can try that. TOPSTEP 20% off additionally if you register for a new account with the link. Check that out. And MyFundedFutures is the best deal still. We don't talk about it too much, but activation fee is included in the price, so there is no activation fee on the expert accounts, no consistency rule, no daily loss limit, no withdrawal cap, you know, end of day trailing, whatever you want. And of course Apex, $40 for all the big tier accounts, and $85 activation for live. That was the commercial. Thank you. And take profit trader, of course, no activation fee, 40% off right now. It seems like we're just gonna stay around this area. Hey Gerard, thanks for dropping by. See you tomorrow. Have a great one. All right, people. What are we doing? We're waiting. Looks like we might going to revisit those highs. So this one gonna be a break-even trade. Yep. Gold seems like this area is holding pretty strong. If this one's gonna hold and we see a displacement higher, I'm gonna target the buy side. And 1 hour fair value gap, who knows? Guten Morgen. Sehr gut, danke. Ich spreche Deutsch nur ein bisschen. Jó reggelt. Guten Morgen. How's it going, Gabor Dehan? Forgot to send you a message. I sent over the nur ein Pizit. I sent over the giveaway. I think it left my bank this morning, so you should be getting it until maybe tomorrow, or I don't know. But I got the message. 20 bucks, yay! Oh, it's on the way. I got the email. All right. All right, what's going on? What is going on? Spy Girl, well, actually, nothing extra. I had a short trade off stream here from this gap. That was a good one. Actually, I can show you guys. Settings, trades. So I was shorting actually with 5 micros, not 2. I had 5 micros from up here. I don't know why it says 2. 5 micros, and then it went down here, and I took another short. Took partial with 1. The other one is at break even, so that's all. I'm targeting the previous day low, which is at 914. That's Friday low. Eventually, I would like to see the 4-hour order block low, which is at 904, to be taken out. But, you know, as we approach the market open, the market could be shaking out everyone. So that means price can go all the way up there, shaking out everyone, and then eventually go down. Let me change the color. So this scenario could be happening. Taking out the highs and then boom, go down again. So be careful. That's why I put this to break even. Even if it takes me out, you know. I'm just going to wait. Yeah, gold is starting to show some signs of movement. The problem is on gold is that we didn't. For me, it's. Look at this area, by the way. Look at this. How this here is rejecting price. Boom, 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 boom. This one is a strong support here. Now, I would be curious if gold actually can trade through, or if not, I would like to see a strong displacement to the upside. That is definitely a strong area down there, a strong support. It's a strong support, so we'll see. I target fake out 19,727. Wow, that's a good target. Gold is buy. Yeah. Let me read. Let's see some signs. What is the best time to trade? The best time to trade? Well, obviously the kill zones. 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and 7 a.m. all the way until 4 p.m. New York time, Eastern Standard Time. Why? Because, you know, we have the AM session kill zone until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But there are many traders who are trading the lunch hour. There are traders who are actually only coming in for the lunch hour, and also traders who are only coming in for the PM session. There are also traders who are coming in for the last hour, the power hour. So, but you can trade all day. So which one is the best opportunity? I would say if you want to trade the market open, I know a lot of you guys are trading it, even I do sometimes, but that's gambling. Trading the 9:30 open is pure gambling. I would say from 10 a.m. until 11 or 11:30 would be optimal to trade the quote-unquote silver bullet. And after that, come back to trade the PM session, maybe from 1 p.m. to until 3. I think after 3 to 4 p.m. it gets a little bit crazy, but that's my personal preference. You guys might see it absolutely differently. Anyway, 23, 24 would be a perfect entry, yeah. When is my best time when my edge is presented? During 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and between 7 a.m. until 9 a.m. and from 10 a.m. until 11:30. I'm saying this because if I have a setup presenting itself like around 9 a.m., 30 minutes before open, or 8:50 or whatever, I'm not jumping in. Or I only jump in if it's a super A+ setup, because the market open has a 90% chance that it's going to shake you out from the trade. It's going to go up and down all over the place. Not always, but dark cloud for gold, yeah. Most people make trades even when don't have a plan. Yes, so just have a plan. You know, it's always good to have a plan. Having a plan actually removing anxiety and stress. Now, not always, but it helps to move. It helps you to, you know, to manage the trade better. Sorry, manage your risk better. Look at this. It's just, it's unbelievable what this is doing. We have some kind of a support here. It's just poked lower. You know, look at that. It doesn't want to go down. Not yet, at least. Your stop is holy. Holy? It's not holy. But what I'm gonna do, I might even going to, I don't know if I want to close it here. What I'm gonna do, or I can do, is actually put my stop a little bit lower, just to make sure that there, just to make sure if things go crazy, then I will still have lock. I'm still locking in the, you know, commission or something. I don't know. But I took partials, so if anyone is joining, I already took partials on this trade. So it's already technically a winning trade, but I told you guys that if it takes me back to break even, I'm not going to put it as a winning trade. I'm gonna put it as a break even trade. Okay. Yeah, it's close. It's close. But I already, as I said, I closed down some profits on this one. But the risk to reward is not greater than 1.5 if this one is not reaching 9.15. I need some help with Apex Pay account. How do I stop loss automatically on Trading View? How do you put your stop loss automatically? It's the thing you can do. You know, you just put your, there's a plus sign here. So you see there's a plus, and you put a buy stop. So if you're in a short, just press plus and put in a buy stop. So it puts in a buy stop, and you can move it wherever you want with one contract in this case. It's a paper trading account right now for me, but it's the same with trade await, right? So if you are in a buy, obviously you go down below the price and put on a sell stop right there. You can move it wherever you want. That's it. That's the way. NQ fake down. Yeah, I don't know. Yes, touch the CF M15. Hope NQ could go a bit. Yeah, maybe. If not, it's cool too. I don't care. Does that still count as the mandatory stop loss for? Yes, it counts. Yes, it counts. Absolutely, it does. For sure. For sure. Let's hope it will go down. Doing sim account. There you go. Reach 30% on PA. Then you just have to stop, blow the steam off on a sim account, and that's it. Best way is create bracket order. Yeah, that's also a thing to do. Cool. I was worried. No, you don't have to worry. It's fine. If you put a sell stop or a buy stop, it's cool because it's going to register. They're going to see that you were having a limit order. So it's fine. Because never use trade await. Yeah, trade await is, by the way, it's user friendly. I would say it's pretty much user friendly. Do you get anything from me paying active? No. Unfortunately, I would like to, but I don't get any commission from the activation fees, guys. That would be great, though. But no. No prop firm is paying anything after the activation fee, so that's unfortunate, but what can we do, right? It is what it is. It is what it is. Hey Jackson, how's it going? Well, so far it's looking okay. Oh my god, it didn't get my TP. I'm gonna close it. The reason I closed it because it missed my TP with one tick, and there's a rule, guys, what I always say. If it misses my take profit with one single tick, I'm closing it. I'm closing the trade. So this one is a winner. Actually, I consider it as a winner. So that's 2 winners in a row. That's good. And actually, right before market, the risk to reward was greater than 1.5. So I would consider this adding to the trade stats. We did not have an official trade in the London session, but I'm going to put this official. Okay, hold on. Still don't get it. Anyway, that's a win. There. The percentage is still 58%, so. Trade await rules. Trade await is actually, yeah, very, very user friendly. So that's a good thing. All right, let's check on gold. Gold is still nothing, not doing anything. Thank you. What happened if I don't have a stop loss on your PA account? What I would do, I mean, they let you to have a stop loss 3 times more than your take profit. So it's the worst case, the worst scenario you can do is a negative 3R stop loss on Apex. So whatever is your take profit is, you can use 3 times that stop loss. So just put a stop loss. If you don't want to use stop loss, at least put on a wider stop. That will be your hard stop, you know, just in case there's a power outage or whatever. You can still go with mental stop loss and close it down manually, but make sure to put a stop loss not greater than 3 times as your take profit level. All right, that's something you. And now look at this. We might go down to, I think did we go down 15.25. So my original TP would have been taken, I think. Anyway, boom. TP hit another 50 points, enough for today. There you go, Michael. Congratulations. And let me add an applause to everybody who made some good trades and good profits today. Please push the like button and subscribe to the stream, because it's a long road ahead and trading is... It is, well, look at that. Jesus, I should have had my... No, I'm happy that I closed it right there. The risk to reward was still okay. So I don't feel bad or anything about it. Actually, when we entered to this trade, I told you guys that the risk is much higher on this second one, and we had the trade on the previous one, not officially on the stream. This was off stream, so that doesn't count, but I showed you guys. But this one, the second one, it was a much higher risk. Now I think we took out previous day, I mean Friday low, and there's only one thing to go for, is the 4-hour level at 904, which I think is gonna get taken out. I'm just not sure before market open or not. So lovely. All right. All right. I'm done for today before giving back the profit. Yeah. Close the charts, you know, and walk away. And thanks for being here, Michael. Drop a like, you know. And hope to see you next time. Scared I won't get approved for scalping. You can scalp. You can scalp, Dark Cloud. Look at that. We're going for that sell side. We are going for it, guys. Here's 904. Almost tagged it. We were talking about 904 since last Friday, so this should be the time. The low was 905. It should be taking it. I'm not going to jump into a scalp because this is tricky. I had my entry, and I'm extremely happy for my entry. So I'm just gonna wait. Actually, let me put. Okay, there you go. 904. 904, everybody. $904. What a day. What a day. Actually, I mean, anyway. I had two winners. We called out levels. I think today so far the price action was absolutely respectable for the levels. Everything happened as it should be. And I think I told you guys this one before. I think Mondays, I said this many times. I'm going to repeat myself. I don't care. I said this many times that I think Mondays usually following the price action. Why? Because there's not too many news. So if there are no red folder news, still usually we see specific levels being respected more than during heavy news days, you know, more manipulation at those times. But anyway, share a short on Discord, let me check it. Original TP was 9. Yeah, absolutely. It's a well, it's perfect. The 008. I expect some climb US market open. Exactly. Let me check the Discord just quickly. Oh yeah, this is J-Ho's chart, sell side liquidity. Dude, look at this guy. Look at that number over there. He is killing it. Very good. Clean chart. I like it, by the way. Sell side. Beautiful. Beautiful. Very good. Let's go. Let's go. One and done. Dude, we have to work on my skill to be able to trade with one mini. I can't manage risk with one mini. That's why I trade with micros. I'm just unable to manage risk properly with one mini, but you know, time will tell. Maybe I will get to that level soon enough. Who knows? Oh, let's see gold. Oh yeah. So gold could be another interesting contestant here. Never mind. Just took out these relative equal highs, closed higher, repricing this level again. This is a bearish order block. Looking for more bullish moves on gold. So I'm looking to buy gold. Obviously not here, but we need some more displacements. We need some levels. This is holding beautifully. Market is about to open in 15 minutes. So possible buy zone NQ. Yeah, if you're trading with the turtle soup, this could be, yes, this could be. Again, I'm not opening position 15 minutes before the market open. That's a rule for me. I'm sitting on my hands and I'm going to wait. We were sitting, not taking any trades in London session, guys. If anyone is new here, just saying, I used to do that. Maybe some other traders like to enter many trades. One of my goals for this year is to reduce the number of trades as much as I can. That's the thing. So if I have to, I'm going to sit for 3 hours or 2 hours by not taking any kind of trades. Or any kind of trade in that matter. So, but that's also trading. That's taking a position. You might have heard it before, but not trading is also trading. Not pushing the button is also taking a position. So right now I'm taking a position by not pushing the button. Now let me delete these levels. Sell side liquidity has been taken. I'm gonna leave the 20K. I'm going to leave the previous day low there. I'm going to leave the 4-hour order block level. This is going to be interesting, guys. The 20.030 level. We have relative equal highs there. Now, that is going to be an interesting level for NQ. If we see shifting higher than the 20,030 level will be, I mean, to the tick. Relative equal highs to the tick. Hold on. There. So I'm gonna be watching for that. When I'm in the trade, I put a P&L to ticks. Yeah, I do the same too. I always put the P&L to ticks. I'm not watching the money because when I'm watching the money, sometimes it can confuse my awareness and, you know, starting to count profits, and that's not good. When you start to count profits during the trade, that's actually, I think, a negative thing. So focus on the trade. I always stick with ticks, and that's it. Have you ever been funded with BULENOX? Yes, I am funded right now. If yes, what questionnaire do they ask after passing the? Nothing. They ask nothing, Komodo. Absolutely nothing. They just send you the activation link and sign the contract or something. I don't even remember. Yeah, just sign, and that's it. Click on it, pay the link, and you're done. No questionnaire. For me, there was no questionnaire. Yeah. I had nothing. I just paid the activation, and that's it. That's all that it was. Do they withdraw the funds today for Wednesday payouts? Let's see. Yes, if you for example, if you request a payout today, they're going to withdraw it on a Wednesday. So at BULENOX, there's weekly payouts, which is a good thing. But whenever you sign up for a withdrawal, they're going to deduct it on Wednesday, every Wednesday. That's it. That's all. By the way, BULENOX, and don't forget, not just the option 1 accounts, the option 2 accounts are good as well. The option 2 accounts are basically the copycat of TOPSTEP with a bigger threshold to trade with, just saying. And it's still 70% off with TOMSABO 2. I'm just not putting it out there. You can check option 2 as well. Is there, I think yes. So if you trade small, Komodo, if you trade small size, yeah, I have BULENOX. If you trade small size, like micros, only with micros, I would say. If you trade small, base hits, not home runs with big big risk, just, base hits, micros, absolutely perfect to go with the 25K. I would say don't go bigger than 100K with BULENOX because the activation fee is insane. But trading wise, risk wise, and everything, 25K is good for those traders who are going for base hits, micros, small steps, and you're not rushing it, step by step. Absolutely, a 25K is a very optimal account to go with. You think they give more than 3 if you... I don't think. If you ask it, they just give it. So the rule is this. If you have 3 funded accounts, you can have a 4th one, but you have to reach the minimum threshold on those 3. So at least 1, I think. I think if you reach the minimum payout threshold, or sorry, the minimum, for example, on a 50K, it's 2,600. If you reach the 2,600 on one of your funded accounts, they are going to let you add 1 more, and so forth, up to 10. You can have up to 10 funded accounts. The DL Zizinga, hey, I'm trading since 2000. Seriously, not too seriously. Like, there were 2 phases in my life. I was trading like an idiot gambler. Like, we're still gamblers, but we are professional gamblers. But like, I was an idiot from 2018 until the pandemic. I lost it all on my Forex account. I didn't trade with prop firms, but since I'm taking it seriously, that's since 2022. Since I'm trading absolute seriously, it's from 2022. My first payout was in 2023 from prop firms. And that's it. Really? Thank you. I don't want to do support, but what I can answer, I can help you with that. So I'm just collecting information. So my trading journey, and by the way, guys, I'm not a profitable trader. So I'm not a profitable trader. I am not yet. Not yet. I blown all my accounts this year in March. Everything has been down the drain. Then I started to build up everything, and then I blown 3 funded accounts in the past 6 weeks. I left with, I think, 4 or 5. I have funded accounts with BULENOX, Apex, TOPSTEP. I had a MyFundedFutures fund account, but I blown that too. I want to prove you guys that MyFundedFutures is the best, and yet I've blown my MyFundedFutures account away. So I was very disappointed about that. So I make withdrawals. Yeah, I made withdrawals from TOPSTEP. The only prop firm that I made withdrawals, yeah, from MyFundedFutures too. I made withdrawals is TOPSTEP, and one from MyFundedFutures. But that was a small one. From TOPSTEP, I made last year $4,200. There's a video that I made in January. This year from TOPSTEP, I made only $350, and from MyFundedFutures only like $500. So that was very bad. I put on a video about it, but then I blown it. So I was so stupid. I was so stupid. I was in depression for 2 weeks actually. I was here on the stream, but honestly, I was totally depressed for 2 weeks. I couldn't focus, and then I started to build up again, and then I lost again. So it's quite a roller coaster ride for me, guys. So if you ask me, I'm not making a living from trading, solely from trading. I'm not a guru. I don't have a Lambo. That's it. Welcome to the club, though. First after, yes, it's a rage trade. Yeah, revenge trade. Yeah, absolutely, VUZHX. Absolutely it was. So now, guys, I'm just trying to build up my funded accounts to pay out. Mostly what I'm sorry is for my MyFundedFutures account, because I really wanted to go more with MyFundedFutures because I think they are absolutely the best. More upfront cost, yes, I know, but expert account is absolutely awesome. But unfortunately, I blew it. So anyway, slow steps. I'm a turtle trader. I'm making slow steps. VUZHX, you and me both. You know, sometimes I can't control myself, but hey, have to practice the same kick for 10,000 times. So I'm not going to change my strategy. I'm not strategy hopping. I'm not changing anything. I'm using the same concepts. That's what I do. I'm not the one who has 10,000 kicks for one time. I have one kick for 10,000. I'm practicing the same kick for 10,000 times and just repeating the same thing over and over. If you want to build my account, if I want to build up my account 25K, how much should we target for a minimum withdrawal? I don't know the minimum withdrawal on the 25K. I know that on the 50K it's $1,000 minimum withdrawal. Let me check on it. On the 25K you have to go, oh, that's, yeah. So here it is. On BULENOX, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, almost market open. So on the 25K account, the threshold is $1,600, okay? But the minimum withdrawal is $1,000. Actually, this is outdated. This is an old one, which would mean that the minimum threshold would be $2,600 on the 25K account. But I'm not sure if this is accurate. I know on the 50K is $2,600, but the minimum withdrawal is $1,000 right now on the 50K. So $2,600 would be overall your profit target. Withdrawal limit on the expert account, there is no withdrawal limit, no withdrawal cap on the expert account. There's a minimum of $500, I think, by the way, and you can withdraw up to 60% of the safety threshold as well. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. But on the expert account, there is no withdrawal cap. You can make as much money as you want There is no cap on the withdrawal. As long as you know you have an edge with your strategy. Yes, the problem is not that I know I have an edge. Is it better to only start trading after? No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. And actually, I would wait at least 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, or maybe you can wait for 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the silver bullet hour to start trading. That's actually a good thing because you can time your trading, and that's a good thing. Absolutely, just time your entries. You can trading can be timed, guys. It's I know it sounds stupid. I know some of you guys might disagree, but it can be timed. The algorithms are timed, the sessions, everything. Anyway, we're gonna have market open in less than 1 minute. Not that it really matters right now because I'm not in a trade. But let's go and break it down to the 1 minute chart so it would look much more awesome. Yeah, don't trade the open, Komodo. I would suggest do not trade the, I'm not trading the open. I'm watching it. I'm studying it, how price is printing. And by the way, TradingView is lagging, just saying. Always better to check the price action on NinjaTrader, Quanthour, Trade08, whatever. TradingView is lagging. It's not going to show you the same way as candles are printing because it's behind. Okay? So right now we have the market open right now. There you go. Market is open for business. All right. This is the 1 minute chart. I'm going to switch back to the 5 minute after the dust settles. I don't really care too much about the 1 minute right now. But let's just, you know, check out what's happening. Are we going to go down once more to sweep some liquidity, or is it just going to go up? And do I have any orders? No, I don't. All right. That's good. My coffee. All right, nothing is happening. I'm switching back to the 5 minute. Slow open. Nothing special. It's hard to hold back. That's true, Dark Cloud. It's super hard to hold back. Yeah, exactly. I'm fan tab. Yeah. Usually a lot of manipulation at the open. Let me look at gold. Oh, I like this. All right, finally. Finally, something I like on gold. I'm going to be preparing to go long on gold. If it gives me an entry. But I think it might not. Yeah, I think it's just going to go for that buy side up there. I'm putting an alert as well. Oh, dude, this is just going without me. What a shame. What a shame. I'm putting an alert here. Right there. Dude, I wanted to see a pullback into OTE, but it's not doing it. All right, take this out and then go for a pullback. I will be interested in that. How did you draw the order block? Just a second and I'll be right back with you. Vera, let's see. The order block is on the 4-hour chart. So real quick, this is the 4-hour chart. If you look to the left, to the 17th of Monday, look at this. Structure shift, boom, going higher. We had the order block low here at the wick of the candle, and it started at 982. That was the order block, if that's what you're asking. Sorry, I want to go back to focus on the 5-minute, both on gold and NQ here. This one is looking good for a possible trade to go long. Let me see. Gold took this level out. NQ is making a shift. Going for buy side might be up to above 983. No retracement, sorry, no pullback, is just going for it. I think it's gonna go for 984. I'm not entering into this. Approaching the VWAP. So let's see. I'm reaching my 3rd year in 3 weeks of learning, and the market's only 1 withdrawal. Do you think I'm... No, Komodo, you are not a slow learner. If anything, I think you and me are the same, you know, because it took me years to reach for payout. So you are absolutely not a slow learner. For many, many people, it takes way more than that. Of course, we have some people who are maybe smarter, or I don't know, have some other skills to reach for payouts. If someone tells you that they reach the payout in 3 months or 6 months, that is awesome. Maybe just, you know, respectfully ask him or her that how much evaluation accounts did he or she passed, how much activation fees did he or she paid, how many accounts did they blow up. That is a minor thing, respectfully, to ask, you know, because then you can measure how is one is doing with prop firms. I'm sorry, I can't speak today. English is not my native language. I'm still learning. So always try to, if you're curious about someone, you can always ask about how many accounts did they blow up, how much did they pay for in their journey. Because if you ask me, I'm absolutely negative. I'm not profitable. That's why I'm said I'm in the negatives. Let's see what is happening. Tom, holy shit, this was completely accident. I left my buy orders at the lows. Come on, man. Come on, man. Dude, you're not just good. You're oh my mind. Oh my mind. My mind is gonna blow. Dude, I see. Oh, come on. Look at this guy. Accidentally leaves on the limit order and makes money. Get out of here. Shut the front door, man. This is just... You're cheating the markets, man. That is just... It's just too much to take. 4 hours on. Your shows different level. Maybe it's because of the different contracts from last month, or maybe you're... Are you trading CME? Futures, or maybe CFDs? That's also a question, Vera. I'm fighting now is risk on my and stuff, but hey, listen, we're getting there. It's a slow learning curve, but just, you know, execute your plan. Is gonna be fine. Okay, no entry on this level. At least that's a good thing. Congratulations, Joe. J-Ho, come on. That's awesome. Really awesome. I'm so close to be profitable. I can't get... You can't give up VUZHX. There's no option B. It's written on my YouTube as well, and everywhere I have... That's my catchphrase. There's no option B. Guys, no option B. Not for me anyways. I have burned all the bridges behind me, guys. There's no going back for me from here. So it's this or I'm gonna I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's only trading. I have option B and C, but I want success. There you go. There you go. Yo, my option B is return to option A, and I have a C. And my option C is to check over option B again and execute option B. That's my option C. But anyway, CME 09. I don't know, Vera. I don't know. Why is the levels different? Should be the same. Is the June contract still on? I don't even know. Is the June contract still live? Is it still valid? Are you on the June contract? I don't know that. Because everybody trades on the September contract. I'm not even sure if the June contract is still going on. Only those who say they give up haven't lost money. We move forward. Exactly. We move forward. All right. So I am checking on gold. I'm going to go for OTE level. Looking for I don't know. 23.41.8. Let me check on it. 23.41.8. 23.41.8. Yeah, my limit order is at 23.41.8 on gold. Stop loss is at 38.2. I might going to modify that. 30. No. Yeah, that. Yeah, sorry. 38.2. Modify. Yeah, 38.2 is my stop loss. So I have a limit order on gold. That's it. I'm only risking about 80 bucks on this one. Not too much. Only 80 bucks if I get tagged into this trade. Looking for 1 hour fair value gap. And the mid-level of the 4-hour chart. If I'm gonna get tagged into this trade, I'm gonna let you know. All right. NQ going down. Okay. Nothing special on NQ. Waiting for gold. So I'm waiting for gold. That's it. Nothing so far. NQ going lower. All right. NQ made a new low. Gold is not reacting anything. So made new low. Where can we go from here? Let's check it. Seems like NQ might want to drop lower. I don't see any special level here. The only thing I would see is that it would be down at 760s. I'm gonna put a sell side liquidity marker right there. Sell side liquidity. Okay, nothing on gold yet. So otherwise I have no idea where it can go. I'm not jumping in, that's sure. I'm gonna wait. Let's just wait. I have my alert on gold. Don't forget it, guys, we have a giveaway tomorrow. If you see the sign, the pin message up there in the chat, go check it out. If you just fill your email and name, we're gonna pick a winner tomorrow during the stream. If you're not here, don't worry. I'm gonna tweet out the winner and gonna send an email too. It's gonna be a 50K valuation account. We're gonna choose from which prop firm, all right? It will be at least a $50 prize or higher. We'll see, okay? So so that's the thing. Go check it out. It will be awesome. Would you be able to show one last time? Yeah, sure. Absolutely. Absolutely. Let me show you the 4-hour chart. So this is the 4-hour chart. Let me disable all these crap on this. So this is the 4-hour chart. The low of the order block here is at 19,904 actually. So the low of this candle is 904 on the 17th of June. So that's that's where it starts, the order block. Okay. Now this is on the September contract. You might be having a gap somewhere along the road because there might have been a contract switch, so you see this level on a different price, but don't worry about that. It's fine. How you were able to get to that level, for me, high shows much higher of the same candle. That's interesting. I don't know. Doesn't look like yours. Well, you might be, I mean, you might be on the old contract. I don't know. Even on the CFD, on the Nasdaq, NAS 100 CFD, it's at 19,630. Sorry, 19,630. How I got to there? Well, it's you're in September. Then I don't know. I have no idea. For some reason, if there's an automatic switch, there could be a gap between, but I don't know. So how I'm able to get that level, I don't know. I'm as you can see, I'm on an MNQU 2024. This is where I am. MNQU. Time is end of 11 a.m. Yeah. Your candle is... Oh, we have an alert on gold. I'm sorry, I have to check on gold. Just a second. Sorry. Okay, yeah, gold is getting down there. Let me check if I'm gonna get tagged or not. Still no entry. But your candle is close of 6 a.m. You know, I'm using Eastern Standard Time. Maybe you're using some kind of different setup. This is here. My time zone is set to Eastern Standard Time. Okay, I got tagged into the gold trade. A little bit risky. I'm gonna be with you just a second. 3672. $49 limit. All right. So I'm going to show you my gold trade. This is my gold trade right now. We'll see how it goes. It's super risky. I'm just trying to aim for that fair value gap or buy side liquidity above there. So currently that's the thing. So let me see. Your candle is close of 6 a.m. Yeah, I don't know how is that or why is that. It could be a time zone settings on TradingView. Not sure. My TradingView is set to UTC 4. UTC 4 Eastern Standard Time. You're using Ninja. Yeah, Ninja has different. Okay, then okay, then I know why. Yeah, so you can set it on Ninja as well. Maybe you have to go into the time settings or something. If I'm taking one profit, how much should I risk on a 50K account so I can try pass the amount? Well, in a month, depending on how many trades you're looking for, depending on which time frame are you trading, depending on what's your entry model, depending on how much time you have to trade. So there's quite a few factors still. One trade a day. One trade a day. If you can, you know, manage yourself to take only one trade a day, then you have to go with $200 risk per trade minimum. That would be the minimum. Maybe you can go with 300 if you can, you know, deal with the risk. Obviously you're going to be having losses as well. So if you can deal with the losses emotionally, then it's fine to go with $200 or $300. Absolutely. Yeah, you have to risk $200 or $300 on an account, but you have to have a strict entry rules. You know, if you're going for 1-to-1, if you try to you push it a little bit, you don't have to go with 1, 2, 3 or something. But if you can push it somewhere at least to 1.5 or above, then obviously that's a game changer. Yeah, I'm not sure, Vera, but the point is different candle, which is I'm unable to find. Yeah, no problem, Vera. I don't have. I mean, I have NinjaTrader installed, but I don't want to start it now because then it's going to mess up with Quant Hour and Rhythmic. So I don't want to log into that. But next time I can do that for you to check on Ninja. If I log into Ninja, I think it's gonna mess up with Quant Hour and Rhythmic. But I don't know. I was trading NinjaTrader many months ago, but interesting question. I don't know why you don't see it could be something with the time zone settings in NinjaTrader, and then it's going to reconfigure the charts. Not sure. That's just a tip. So that's just a tip. Anyway, we'll end this trade. Oh yeah, look at this. And this is 5-minute Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also moving a little bit higher. We're still with gold in this trade. As I said, on gold, I want to see The low-hanging fruit. What's my TP, by the way? Oh, I might going to put my TP lower, guys, to take out. This would be a low-hanging fruit here at 48.1. So I have to modify my TP. Yeah, I have to. It's still going to be greater than 1.5, but I want to take a full TP at 48.1. Sorry, full TP at 48.1. Yeah, that's gonna be the low-hanging fruit for me. Anyway, let's check on Nasdaq. What's happening? Still below 20k. Oh, wow. What is happening on ES? What the freak is happening? Shut the front door. What is going on with ES? Look at this. Holy moly. Is there some news or whatever? Some Fed people are talking, or what is going on? Who's talking? Somebody's obviously talking. Gap fill? Yeah, let's look at it. Could be. I don't know. Look who's talking now. Look who's talking. Okay. Let's go back to electronic trading hours. Oh no, gold is letting it go. It's giving up. Gold, don't do this with me. Yeah, gold is. It was a good start, but gold is just looks like it wants to let it go. How bad? I don't know what this push was on ES. I have no idea what this was. I might even look for an ES long. We have relative equal highs. We have Friday high, and we have some good targets up there. I think the gold trade is gonna go to the dumpster right now. It looks like it. It looks like it's gonna be a dump. Sorry about that. All right. ES is unstoppable. Also on Dow. Dutch #1 traders. Ho ho! Welcome to the stream. Let's see what's happening on YM. Hoo-hoo. What the freak is going on? I'm telling you, somebody's talking. Has to be. Somebody keeps talking. And my gold trade is absolutely getting slaughtered here. In a drawdown currently, unfortunately. Might gonna consider to close it with a small loss, but whatever. ES unstoppable. Absolutely unstoppable. No news for the moment, yeah. 3 minutes until silver bullet hour. Let's see if that's going to show us something. Dude, this gold trade is gonna be a dirty one. Should be exiting. I'm watching ES because it looks so awesome. This is looking so great. If it would go back, retrace, it's not going to. Damn it. We're missing this. Okay. All right. Look at gold. This is my gold trade. In a drawdown. Trading is not simple sometimes. I mean, it's never simple. Okay, never mind. ES is just breaking higher. What is going on? I'm done for the day. Thank you, just you. Oh, nice. 2K for the day. Shai Sosa, I think you definitely just walk away. That's the best thing to do right now. 2K profits, dude. You're done. You're done for the day. Yeah, I'm considering to close this gold trade, but as the way the candles are printing right now is just absolutely bearish. Yep. Looks like it just wants to take out the level at 38. Yeah, one more spike and it's out. I wanted this to work out so much. It's just not doing the thing. Yes, breaking new highs. Look at this. That's crazy. And gold is going down. Almost out from my trade. But look at Nasdaq. Market structure shift. It's technically a bullish breaker on the 5-minute right now. It can be good. Let's see how this is going to end on Nasdaq. $15-minute also looks bullish on Nasdaq. Let's see. Less than 3 minutes to close on the 5. Crazy move, yeah. 30% on PAs and just past 2 EMAs. Why are you crying, Dark Cloud? You are killing it today. You know, you are killing it. You should be proud of yourself. You're absolutely killing it. Less than 2 minutes to close on this candle. It just happened too fast today. That's what I'm saying. If it happened fast enough and you made some good profits, one of the best things to do for you is to walk away and enjoy the day. I wish I would be having these kind of days more. When I know I have some good profits, everything as planned, I would just, you know, go on, enjoy my day, and, you know, with the good feeling that I did very well. Still waiting. We have those relative equal highs at 30. I would love to take those out, but so far no entry. 25 seconds. For this candle to close. Gold is still in drawdown. It's not looking good. All right, we have a close. Up close candle shifted structure here and here, so 2 times. I'm gonna watch for an OTE level down there. Yeah. Gonna be looking for a 50% ratio here. Or maybe lower. Or I'm just gonna put my stop loss down there. Okay. 926 would be my entry. 926 if it goes back down. He's beating my ass. I only have 711 bucks so far. Oh, so only 711 bucks. That's a very good profit for the day. I would walk away with 700 bucks for the day. Well, hey. Yeah, the third level is a good target, but I want to see a proper retracement to OTE if I want to enter, but well, no fair value gaps, that's the thing. No fair value gaps. My gold trade is terrible at the moment. I was so hoping that gold will go for that 1 hour fair value gap, but it's not yet, at least. It's the waiting game, guys. Asia high, London high. Yeah, it should take it. Yeah. Asia high, London high. I'm still gonna wait for OTE on Nasdaq to take that trade. Even if it's not, I would be happier if it would leave a fair value gap, at least here. So that could justify my entry if it goes lower. Still 1 minute 30 seconds. Still 1 minute 30 seconds. This is the gold trade so far. Back to break even. I don't know what to do with it. I still like that level up there. So I'm in it still. 1 minute to close the 5-minute candles. Look who's talking now. Okay, making new highs. Nasdaq is making new highs. Which brings my OTE level a little bit higher. I'm gonna bring it to okay. It can be still all right. Look who's talking now. Ba, 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 ba. Still hoping for gold. So, what are you guys doing? Please push the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already. Then please do so. That would help me out with a great deal. What is my risk to reward here? Okay, I take it. I take it. Let's have more subscribers on the stream. Bum, 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 bum. All right, what's happening with NQ? All right, it's going down a little bit. Okay, OTE, which is the golden level, should be at 930. 930. I don't know if I should go for it or not. What is ES doing? ES made new highs. All right. Could be an SMT forming here. Gold going lower. Just here for the commentary. All right. Ah, man. I don't know what to do with this gold trade. I'm obviously down. So 930, 1 micro. Should I put a limit order? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. 930.25, 1 micro. I'm gonna put an alert for here. Alert. If it would go down to that area. It's a tough question what to do. 15 minutes shifted. But this one still needs some time to close. This one is coming back to the 5-minute gap. Gold still holding. I'm looking for equal highs up there. It's gonna take some time. Even if I enter this one, it's gonna take some time. I don't need the alert. I'm gonna watch this closely. All right. All right. I don't like how gold is behaving, but at least the entry was valid. So whatever happens, it was valid. My entry is still on Nasdaq at 930.25. Gold is going down, unfortunately, again. Nasdaq is getting close to my entry, but nothing special so far. is the waiting game. Again and again and again. Yeah, gold is still at this level. My trade is still on, but who knows for how long. Damn it. Damn it, gold. On to the next one, right? Yeah. So if we see it a little bit closer here, Nasdaq actually repriced that gap. Could this be enough for Nasdaq to go to those relative equal highs up there? I don't know. Could this go? Can we see that? What is ES doing? Nothing. Nothing special. Gold is melting. My position is melting away on gold. Otherwise, everything is great. But I don't see any other entries right now. Nasdaq coming closer to my entry. At 30.25. Not sure if I should take it or not, but for now I'm going to leave my limit order on. And you know, hope for the best. Still in gold. Almost at the middle of the silver bullet hour. Entry is still not taken yet on Nasdaq. And by the way, it's going to be, if it takes, it's going to be 1 micro. Just saying. Just one single micro on NQ. Still watching gold. Slightly above break even right now. Still waiting for those levels up there on gold. Looking for the market to return to the 1 hour gap or the 4 hour consequent encroachment or mid-level. This is actually, if we don't look at the fair bet, this is a bullish breaker on Nasdaq on the 5 minute. Not too perfect, but it's a bullish breaker. fair value gap is still holding. It's just a waiting game. Have to remind myself that is just a waiting game. That's all. Nothing more. Just waiting. Okay. Nasdaq might want to dip down to the 50% level of the swing. If it does, I'm ready for it. So far, gold is holding. I hope it stays like that. What else? What else? So this is my gold trade. So far, again, it's holding, but as for Nasdaq, I don't know. Nasdaq going down slowly, approaching my OTE level. I mean, not OTE, but the 50% level of the swing. I don't know. All right, let's see. I'm not tagged in yet. So not in the trade. Waiting for ES going to a breaker block. Okay. You should start reading us a book. Yeah. I should be doing that. It would be, you know, proactive or something. I don't know. Guys, this is I know. I mean, at these levels, there's just nothing to do. I'm not in the trade on Nasdaq, not yet, at least. Almost though, almost got filled, almost. And now I got filled to the trade. I'm doubling down the risk. Actually not, because I'm only risking around 80 bucks. Let me TP should be 28, 25, 20. I'm gonna put it to 27. Okay, so I'm in a trade on Nasdaq. So 1 micro. Let's see what it does. At the 50% level now, it could be going down to the 15 to OTE, but if it goes below 80, Well, I think that would be my exit point, or maybe, well, somewhere below 80. I might have to consider to close it. Yeah, unfortunately, it's just going down. Damn it. That's it for OTE. And that's it for the bullish breaker. What else do we have? If I look to the left, I think it's just going down. I was extremely bullish for this. Maybe I shouldn't have been, but yeah, what can I do? It's just selling off. It's selling off. Both of my positions are in drawdown. I'm considering to close down this NQ trade. Obviously, it's selling off like crazy. Yep. Almost out, and now I am, come on, almost out. I was like 2 ticks from the stop loss. What is happening? Take me out and let's get on with it. Should be out from this 60. What's the level here? I should be out from this trade. I don't know how I'm still in. I'm still in the trade. I don't know how, but I'm still in. I'm gonna show you. Look at this. Missed my stop loss with like 1 tick or 2 ticks. So I don't know how. Thank you for being here. You're welcome. Sorry, I wasn't reading the chat momentarily. I was focusing on the chart. I have too much risk on currently. That's all I can tell you. And I'm actually looking to decide what to do here. I might have to put off some risk. I don't know how I survived this still, but it's not over. I might have to close it. I don't know. It's going down again on the 1 minute. Still in the gold and the Nasdaq too. But what did ES do? Oh, wow. All right. Let's see what's gonna happen. Which other preference at 25Ks? I'm tired now. Apex has 25Ks, Buleanox, and I don't know if Take Profit Trader has one or not. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I wouldn't say for sure. Okay, Nasdaq is giving up again. Gold is still pulling. breaker. Blue Sky. Oh yeah, Blue Sky. We have a code for Blue Sky too. Wink. It's down there in the description. There is my code TOMSTEP should be working for the best available discount. But Blue Sky, yeah. Blue Sky actually welcomes DCAing. Just saying. That's what they said actually. Let's go. Oh no, my Nasdaq trade is just giving up again. Why is that? Why is that happening, Nasdaq? Come on. You're tearing me apart, Lisa. Did you guys see The Room? The movie? The worst movie of all time. You can search for it online. The worst movie of all time. It's called The Room. You should check it out. Yes, I'm in a long trade on Nasdaq and I'm in a long trade on gold. Actually, the Nasdaq is in huge drawdown. Let me show you. This is my Nasdaq trade. As you see, I almost got taken out, but we'll see what's gonna happen. I'm looking for equal highs up there at 20,030. And on gold, I'm looking for basically fair value gaps and stuff like that, swing highs. That's all. You know, before going lower. So these are my trades. At this very second, both of them are in slight profit, but who knows what's gonna happen, you know. It will turn. All right, Richard, thank you. Saw the making. Saw the making, yeah. Now, oh, look at this. Maybe Nasdaq could turn around after all. So, yeah. These are the trades I'm currently in. I'm looking for these equal highs. I'm actually looking to exit at 27. If it would go up there, that would be great. That would be awesome. So let's go. Crazy 500 in 2 minutes. Now break even on Nasdaq. Nice, 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 nice. Good one. That's a good one. I'm still holding this according to the analysis that we had, but I'm telling you today, I mean, this New York session, I mean, so far okay, but I was hoping to see some movement. I mean, this is still scary. Nasdaq is still scares me out. I would just say we have more things to go for up there above 2000, and that's why I'm willing to hold this trade for a little bit longer if I can. So yeah, that's the trade analysis for these ones. Hoping that gold will take that 48.1. I'm gonna actually put an alert if it goes for that. And I'm just praying for Nasdaq. Not spraying, praying. There was a market structure shift, so that's a problem for me, obviously. I have to consider to close down Nasdaq or not. If this one is a short, then obviously this is the entry for the short. So I have to think what to do now. Should I stay with the trade, or should I open a different trade, or should I just close it at break even and let it be? There's a saying, you know, trust your analysis. I'm trying to trust my analysis. If I lose this trade, at least I will know that my analysis was wrong and we're not going for the 230, not just now. I mean, at least not yet. And that's it. I will pay the price for it, but you know, DX12, hey, waiting for fair value gap to break. All right. We don't have any high impact news, so I don't expect a big move today. Yeah, me neither. Yes, Kojak, I'm on a long trade on Nasdaq right here. Actually, I can show you guys the chart again. This is my Nasdaq trade. I'm in the long from 930.25. And I'm in the long on gold. My entry is 23.41.8. My TP is 23.48.1. So both gold and Nasdaq are long. Yeah, I guess we'll see. Maybe I'm gonna lower my TP on Nasdaq with just one tick. That's it. But this trade is looking, you know, I don't really like the way it looks like because it just shifted lower. This is just a proper short entry, you know. So it can just start to dump, especially if gold goes higher, strong. Look at that. So I'm willing to close this trade with a small loss, maybe. I don't know. I don't like this. I really don't like this trade, the way it looks now. ES. I don't know what to think about ES anymore. Swept some highs. Not looking good, guys. I think it would be a considerably good idea to close this trade down with a small loss. Lowered the risk, you know. Yeah, I think I'm going to close it down. I don't know. Doesn't look good. I don't know. Gold is looking good. I'm concerned about Nasdaq right here. I think Nasdaq just, you know, wants to go down. Not sure. All right, I closed it with a loss. Okay, manually closed it with a loss. A little bit less loss than it was. I closed it somewhere here. As gold is making its way higher, it seemed like to me that this was the better thing to do. So I closed it. Unfortunately, it is what it is. Yeah, it's a good thing I closed it. It's going lower. Yeah, look at that. It is what it is. Yeah, they gave me a chance to close it at break even. Anyway, I'm gonna update the stats here. One loss more and 57%. It is what I'm still in the gold trade. Look at Nasdaq. Wow. So I was offside here. If I would have taken this trade, well, it wasn't the perfect one to go short here. Oh, this is the 3 minutes. So yeah, I'll say, okay, never mind. This would have been the good one. Maybe. Right there. And this would have been optimal trade entry. Yeah, this would have been the one. Damn it. No, never mind. Sketchy. I don't know if I don't know if I would have taken this. But anyway, the shorts were playing out, and now the only trade that I left with is this gold. Let's see if this one is gonna bring me some joy or not. As for Nasdaq, I have no idea right now. Where is it? We have a sell side at the 700, so we might go for that level. Look at that. If there's a sell-off kicking in right now, we could be seeing something. Could be seeing something down to 762. Actually, it just got more interesting. We were absolutely in a consolidation since the New York AM session. We took out some highs, so lows, highs, then we're going lower again. Not sure, and I still don't know what gold wants to do. You know what? Just to lock in some profits, I don't know. No, I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna touch it. Let's wait for it. You know. Let's see what it does. The 5 minute could be good for a short. This is a bearish order block again here. We lost connection to Apex. Awesome. Could dump hard. Connection to Apex is lost. That's why it's good to have a stop loss and the take profit always, you know. All right, so give me a second. I just have a text message here. Seems like gold is not going for it. Gold is struggling. Hold on, I'll be right with you guys. I just had to answer for a text message here real quick. All right. Good morning, Crypto Panda. Apex falling on my side too. Let me see if I can get reconnected. Okay, I got reconnected to Apex. So, seems like okay. And also looks like the next target would be the 762 here. Look at this dump. Wow, dumpage. Dumpage, dumpage, dumpage. All right, you know what? I'm not gonna mess around with the gold trade. I'm closing it. Okay, I closed my gold trade. The thing is, I just don't like the price action. I'm not going to put this as a winner because the risk to reward was less than 1.5. So I closed my gold trade, slight profit. So I'm going to put one more break even into the stats. So I made profit, but it's less than 1.5. So I'm going to put it 8 break evens. I had to close it because I did not want to suffer. These trades were made on my funded accounts, and I didn't want it to lose. At least the gold brought me back some of the losses. So these were copy traded, and I didn't want it to suffer more. No more suffering. Let me see actually how much I made today on the fundeds. Not much. I made $110 on Apex funded. I made 140 on Buleanox and 112 bucks on another. So overall, I made more than 300 bucks, 330, 40 bucks on funded accounts. So overall on 3 accounts only, because I was copy trading this with one group, just one group right now. So I'm happy about it. But I was expecting a better move on Nasdaq. I was expecting a better move on Nasdaq. I think it's a good thing. I mean, this gold, I think it's still going to go for my original TP. I just didn't have the nerve. After this loss, I got frustrated, to be honest. So what I'm going to do here on Nasdaq to look for another trade entry, I'm going to put an alert here. If it goes up to OTE at, you know, somewhere around 95, 895, I might going to look for a short. By the way, push the like button, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. That would really be great. And if you would like to support me and the stream, I'm doing this every day full time. Please use my links and codes. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you. I'm still looking for some possible entries, but I'm gonna wait. Okay, gold is holding. I think it can still go up. Can still go higher. Would be nice to see it take out those levels. And I'm waiting for a possible OTE entry here. That is all. Measuring some risk to rewards. Or some risk to reward, yeah. So I'm gonna wait. What are you guys up to? Or as Peter Griffin said in Family Guy, I'm planning on dying tonight. What are your plans? That was a great scene. Okay, we're going a little bit higher. 1,022 bucks. I think you're down with that. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. You should be absolutely okay with that. Congratulations, Gabor. Congratulations. Big divergence with ES and Nasdaq. Let's look at ES. Oh, wow. Look at that. Absolutely. They decoupled. Pro traders are saying that usually is not a good thing when they decouple so much. There's a glitch in the matrix, you know. Going to the gym. All right. Have a good one, Gabor. Thank you for being here. Have a good day. Gym session. I should go to the gym too. Yeah. Well, how should I put this, Viox? And take their money. I'm gonna take what I can. So, good question, Viox. This year, not too much. Last year, I was up for a lot of running, and I went to the gym. This year, not so much. I want to go back to the gym that I like. You know, I put the earplugs in, listen to some music, and lift some weights. But I like to go for some walks. You know, I like to go walking. Okay, we're going back to OTE. Look at gold. Maybe I should not have closed it right there. Now we are at the 50% level. Let's see what else do we get here. OTE is right up there. Oh man, it's tempting. It's absolutely tempting. It seems like we're still bearish on this one. Are we gonna go lower? It seems like it wants to. I don't know. I'm not going to take this short, but this here would be an ideal opportunity to go short. I'm not going to take it. I'm gonna stay flat, but it looks good. Even if I look ES, still. You know, I like that, but so hard to decide what to do. I think I'm going to take the profit and you know, maybe put a trade on an evaluation account, maybe. Not sure. I'm not sure. Except chamber sport, yeah. Very sharp retracement to the upside. Quite interesting. All right, let's see. We are still at optimal entry to go short. I don't know, guys. I think I might going to call it here because I made some profits. It was an interesting day, that's for sure, but kill zone is over and the AM session. I'm not trading the PM session, as you guys know. Overall, I made profits today. I'm very happy about that. At a few points, I got frustrated and I closed the gold long position a little bit too early, so that makes me frustrated already. So thank you so much for joining. This was a great day, great session. J-Ho, special thanks to you and Crypto Panda, everyone, Gabor Dehan, Vajox, everybody who were in the chat, Kojak, Richard, Emmy, everybody. I'm sorry if I missed anybody out. Dark Cloud, Veer, everybody. All right, you guys are great. Thank you so much again. This was a great session. See you tomorrow in London session, so let's get ready. More good trades to come. All right, take care, be safe. See you guys tomorrow. All right, cheers everyone.